Magandang araw, narito po ako, Bettina Micaela Samson, ang aking mga kagrupo na sina
Kennel Dave Guntang,
J. Mark Garcia,
Michael Jan Estrella,
Yul Villaluna,
Zairus Reyes Dueño.
at ngayon ay tatalakayin natin ang isa sa mga mahalagang konsepto ng technopreneurship. Ito ang Value Proposition o VP, Value Proposition Canvas o VPC at ang Business Model Canvas o BMC. Magsimula muna tayo sa ating Value Proposition o VP.
So, ang value proposition, ito ay tumutukoy sa pangunahing dahilan kung bakit pinipili ng customer ang isang produkto o serbisyo. Sa madaling salita, ito ang value o halaga na ibinibigay ng produkto mo sa target na customer.
Halimbawa, kung meron kang food delivery app and value proposition mo ay maaaring fast, affordable, and convenient food delivery anytime, anywhere.
So, sa technopreneurship, napakalaga ng VP dahil ito ang nagsasabi kung ano ang unique at relevant sa produkto mo. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit ka bibilhi ng customer at hindi ang competitor mo.
So, ngayon naman, dumako tayo sa BPC or Value Proposition Canvas.
Ang BPC ay isang tool na tumutulong sa mga technopreneurs na mas lalong maintindihan ang needs ng kanilang customers. Hinahati ito sa dalawang bahagi.
So, ang una dito is customer profile. Una is job. Ano ang kailangan gawin ng mga customer? Pangalawa is pain. Ano ang problema or hinahanap or hirap nila? Pangatlo is gains. So, dito naman nakapaloob ano ang mga gusto nilang makuha or ma-achieve.
Value map. Products and services. Ano ang ino-offer mong produkto o serbisyo? Una ay ang pain relievers. Paano nito tinatanggal ang problema ng customer? Next is gain creators. Paano nito pinapaganda ang buhay nila? And layunin ng BPC. I-align ang value na ino-offer mo sa totoong pangangailangan ng customer.
At ang panghuli, Business Model Canvas o BMC.
Ang BMC ay isang visual framework na ginagamit para ipakita ang buong business model ng isang negosyo. Ito ay may 9 building blocks. Una, customer segments. Sino ang target market mo? Pangalawa, value proposition. Anong value ang binigay mo? Channels. Paano nakakarating sa customer? Pang-apat, customer relationship. Paano mo pinaalagaan ang customer mo? Ang panglima, revenue streams. Paano ka kumikita? Ang number 6 ay key resources. Anong asset ang kailangan mo? Ang pangpito, key activities. Anong ginagawa mo para mag-operate? Ang pangwalo ay key partners. Sino ang tumutulong sa'yo? At ang last ay cost structure. Anong gastos ang involved?
Sa technopreneurship, ginagamit ang BMC para planuhin at evaluate ang viability ng isang tech-based business. Sa kabuuan, ang VP, VPC at BMC ay mga powerful tools na tumutulong sa isang technopreneur na maunawaan ang kanyang market, mag-offer ng tamang produkto o serbisyo, at bumuo ng isang sustainable at scalable na negosyo. Next slide. Next slide. So, the making of VPC and BMC. So, we start into the introduction and the customer segment overview. And I will introduce our group report on the value proposition canvas for a t-shirt printing business. This business focuses on offering customized t-shirt printing services for individuals and organizations. Our customer segment includes individuals who wants to create personalized t-shirts for personal use, kits, or special events. Business teams or event organizers who need bulk custom t-shirts orders for uniforms, campaigns, or celebrations. Next, the second speaker will explain the different customer jobs or the tasks and goals of our target market.
And next, I'll be discussing the customer jobs, which are divided into three types: functional, social, and emotional jobs. Functional jobs, practical task-oriented job that customer want to get done. They are about solving problems, completing tasks, or achieving the specific result. Social job that to related to how customer want to be perceived by others or how they interact socially. It's about image, stature, recognition, or belongings. And last is emotional job. Job that deals with feelings, emotional state, and personal satisfaction that customer want to achieve or avoid.
Now, I will talk about the customer pains or the challenges and frustrations that customer often face when using t-shirt printing services. So, hanapin natin yung mga most common pain points sa ating mga customers sa ating t-shirt printing services. So, ang una ay ang matagal na production or long production and delivery times, especially po sa mga ating urgent orders. Pangalawa ay yung high prices, mahal na presyo para sa mga small quantity or individual orders. Pangatlo ay ang limited design options sa ating mga customers or mga poor print quality natin. Kaya kailangan i-address natin yon. At yung pang-apat naman is mahirap gamitin. Meron tayong ginagamit na website na mahirap gamitin para sa atin. Kaya tendency nun ay yung result nun ay pangit yung quality, poor yung quality. Ngayon, ang huli ay yung uncertainty about the final product appearance. Hindi natin lagi alam kung ano ang result ng ating shirt. Kaya ito ay nagkakaroon ng dissatisfaction or may drive customers away if not addressed properly.
Next is customer gains. Customer gains or the benefits that customers expect and desire from a t-shirt printing business. Some of these include affordable pricing, especially for bulk customers. Second is high quality prints and fabrics that are durable and comfortable. Next is user-friendly design tools with preview features so customers can see the final result before ordering. Fast delivery times, especially for urgent events or campaigns. And the ability to express individuality or promote a brand through personalized apparel. Meeting these gains can help the business attract and retain loyal customers.
Next is I will explain the left side of the value proposition canvas, starting with products and services, followed by pain relievers. Ang una ay products and services. Offered by the business include, ito yung custom t-shirt printing for individuals and organization. Ang next ay online design platform for creating personalized design. Bulk ordering option for events, company, and teams. Next ay eco-friendly and high-quality fabric option. Ang next naman ay pain reliever. Ang offer competitive and flexible pricing, especially for group order. Provide a simple and intuitive online design tool with templates and live preview. Next ay ensure quick production and delivery option for time-sensitive orders. Use high-quality printing methods and material to guarantee clear and durable result. This solution help reduce the customer frustration mentioned earlier.
Okay. For the final part of presentation, I'll explain the gain creators and the summarize of our report. Okay, gain creator are the features that add extra values or custom for the customers. Number one is allow full personalization with custom text, image, or logos. Next one is offer trendy design templates and creative inspiration for those who need ideas. Next one is use eco-friendly materials and offer premium fabric option. And the last one is provide reward or discount for the repeat customer to encourage loyalty. So, dito na tayo sa inclusion. The value proposition canvas is a powerful tool that help technopreneurs understand what their customer truly need and want. By aligning the business offering with the customer's job, pains, and gains, a t-shirt printing business can become more competitive, relevant, and successful in the market.
Next. So this is the value proposition canvas with examples and meanings in the gain creators, pain relievers, pains, gains, and customer jobs. That is related into t-shirt printing services. Next slide, please. And next, here we are present different areas of the business model canvas.
So, we're gonna dadako tayo sa key partners and key resources. So, unahin natin ating key partners. So, syempre, sa ating t-shirt printing services, kailangan din natin mga collaboration with other yung mga other suppliers natin, providers, or mga partners natin. So, ang una natin ay fabric and t-shirt suppliers. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng ganun para bilang yung supply natin. Pangalawa ay ating ink and printing bilang providers. And pangatlo ay ating mga kailangan din siyempre natin na nagdi-deliver para sa malalayong lugar. Ngayon, bawa yung mga Shopee, gano'n, ay di pala, mga JNT Express or yung mga iba pang courier services. And pang-apat, kailangan din natin yung mga magde-design sa ating t-shirt, sa ating printing services, mga graphic designers or yung mga freelance artists. Ay pang-lima, kailangan natin din ng event organizers or corporate clients para sa mga bulk orders natin. At yung panghuli, siyempre, kailangan din natin ng online platforms kagaya ng Shopee, Lazada, and Shopify para sa ating sales. So, next natin, sa ating key resources. So, una, siyempre, kailangan din natin ng mga printing machines, yung kagaya ng heat press, screen printing, and digital printers. Pangalawa, ay kailangan po natin ng high quality and ng fabric and ink stock. Siyempre, kailangan din natin ganoon para maiwasan natin na magkaroon ng poor printing. At ang pangatlo, siyempre, kailangan din natin magaling gumamit, kagaya na yung mga skill staff, designers natin, and mga machine operators. At ang pang-apat ay siyempre, kailangan din natin magtayo ng website or online store and social media pages. At siyempre, huwag natin kakalimutan to, yung panghuli ay siyempre, kailangan din natin ng brand reputation or customer trust.
Ang next naman ay key activities at cost structure. Dito tayo sa key activities. Dito nakapasok yung designing and printing custom t-shirt. Next ay operating and maintaining printing machine. Tapos pangatlo, managing an online ordering platform. Pangapat, marketing and customer engagement. Siyempre, yung quality control of products. Tapos, handling bulk and personalized orders. Next naman, dito naman to sa cost structure. Next, pre. Dito sa cost structure, nakapasok yung raw material or yung mga fabric, inks, tsaka yung mga packaging. Pangalawa, equipment, purchase, and maintenance. Pangatlo, salaries and wage for staff. Pang-apat, marketing and advertising expenses. Ang susunod ay rent and utilities. Ito naman applicable to if physical store. Yung huli, logistic and delivery cost.
Okay. Dito tayo sa value proposition. When we say value, di ba, halaga. So, dito na nakapasok yung high quality, durable print, and fabric. Next is affordable price and bulk discount. Next is easy customization, which is yung pwede kang mag-upload ng design or pumili ka ng design. Next is eco-friendly fabric and ink option. Next, fast turnaround and reliable drive delivery. And the last one is unique, trendy design for individuals and businesses.
Dito naman tayo sa customers relations. Una ay ang personalized service. Dito ay tinutulungan natin yung mga customers na mag-design ng kanilang mga shirts. Next is loyalty programs or discounts for repeat customers. And responsive customer support, chat, email, phone. And social media engagements, dito yung mga polls, contests, design showcases.
And next is channels. Companies website with design tools, social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and in online marketplace like Shopee, Lazada, and etc. Physical store or workshop, and partnership with school, businesses, and events.
Last part are customer segments and revenue streams. Sa customer segments, ito ang mga grupo ng tao o organizations na gusto mong paglingkuran o pagbentahan ng serbisyo mo o ang produkto mo. Sino nga ba ang target customers mo? Pwede silang iba't ibang klase depende sa kanilang pangangailangan, ugali, edad o trabaho. Ang example natin ay individual customers, fashion conscious, and personal expressions. Businesses like uniforms, corporate giveaways. School and universities, class shirts, uniforms, events, and sport teams. Clubs, jerseys, or group shirts. Lastly, event organizers like concerts, festivals, or reunions. And sa revenue streams naman, ito yung mga paraan kung paano kakikita o kumita ng pera mula sa mga customer mo. Ibig sabihin, ano ang mga sources ng income ng business mo? Pwede itong direct sales, subscription fees, advertising, or licensing. Dito naman papasok ang sales of custom printed t-shirts like individual orders, bulk and wholesale orders for businesses and events, premium charges for rush orders and high-quality prints, online store sales like pre-designed shirts, and lastly, seasonal and limited edition collections. Next slide. Next. So the result of our business and model canvas is in the next slide. This is our brainstorm business model canvas about t-shirt printing services. And that's it for today, and thank you for listening.